Alrighty, got a new cookbook here. It's pretty niche. As you know, in a lot of American vintage cookbooks are very niche ones. They're usually religious related, and they're not really sold in mainstream bookstores, so that's kind of something that I love. And you get more recipes in these than you do with the more modern cookbooks. And apparently this one was also from like a restaurant or something. And so far, when you take a scan through it, it looks like it has quite a lot here, and I'm very excited. So, alhamdulillah, I'll be testing out all these recipes and practicing, leveling up in my skills. It was very affordable, less than $20, and this is packed so full that if you were to put it in a modern cookbook, it would probably be $40+ because the other cookbooks, they're hardcover, they got pretty pictures, but they're very low in actual recipes, whereas these are, I guess you could say, cheaply made, but actually packed full with things that you can actually practice. So there's more, but I'm not going to dig through all of it, but hopefully you'll stay tuned for this culinary journey, and I'm very excited. Mashallah. I hope you're practicing a lot of recipes as well. Have a good day.